Reading Pioneers is proud to present Mommy Says, I'm a Winner! Written by Shantae Adams, illustrated by Alyssa Lasco. Mommy says, sometimes I won't win, but I'm still a winner. It takes courage to try new things when you're a beginner. Mommy says, all that I must do is give everything my best shot. Mommy says she will always be proud of me, whether I win or not. Mommy says some things may be hard, but I shouldn't give up. She says even when I fail, I should keep my chin up. Mommy says a winner doesn't always come in first place. She says a true winner can be anyone who finishes a race, or anyone who is brave enough to face their fear, or anyone who is kind enough to wipe your tear. Mommy says, I'm a winner, but I say, she's a winner too. She is brave when I'm scared, and cheers me up when I'm blue. She helps me to plant and grow good food for us to eat. She gives me bubble baths and combs my hair all neat. Mommy says that a true winner must look the part. She says having a clean look is a good start. Daddy always looks clean, and he wears a nice tie. He must be a winner. The mirror doesn't lie. Mommy says I'm a winner. If Mommy says so, then it must be true. I can see the winner in me. I hope you see the winner in you. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Mommy Says I'm a Winner by Shantae Adams. I love the rhyming and the message it sends to young children that they are winners too. To help support Shantae, you should visit her Canva website at author Shantae J 2022 to follow her journey as an aspiring author. Her book is available on Barnes & Noble's website, and she has an Instagram account, Mommy Says Series _ by Shantae J, both of which are linked in the description box below. I'd like to thank Shantae for sharing her book with us today, and am excited to announce that this isn't even her first book. Mommy Says So was the first release book of her Mommy Says series, which tells the story of a young girl who learns valuable life lessons. So if you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. It would also be very helpful to me if you like the video to support my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated on future read alouds, and to help other pioneers in search for an inspirational and relatable book, you should share this video with your friends and family. Unfortunately, this is it for today. While waiting for the next upload, remember to visit Shantae's website to purchase your own copy of Mommy Says I'm a Winner. Additionally, there are hundreds of other read alouds on my YouTube channel, Reading Pioneers Academy, that you can browse and continue your adventures with me. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!